Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here, and yes, very quickly I want to show you I got myself another Firefly 8S 4K 30 frames per second super view action camera. Why did I get it? Well, I already have one Firefly 8S super view 4K HD action camera. Well, the reason is simple. I roll solo. I shoot all of my outdoors and sometimes even indoor videos with Firefly 8S. A lot of people have asked me, what camera am I using to shoot my videos outdoors for the past 2 years? Because they found the video was very nice and stable, very clear image, crispy clear image, and even in the low light the videos look very well. Well, to be honest, this head strap and Firefly 8S, for the past 2 years, this camera has been serving me in all weather, in all times, and it has never disappointed me. I simply love this camera. I have dropped it, broke the screen here. I have used it in all kind of weather. The battery until now never gave me any issue. And the best thing is, if you use these Firefly cameras like 4K, 8S 4K HD action camera, you can also use an AV out and directly feed it to your flight controller OSD and use it as an FPV camera at the same time while it records 4K video on your FPV aircraft. But to me, all the time, I have given up on GoPro 4. I used to use GoPro 4 to shoot the videos using my head strap and everything solo, but I have given up GoPro since the time I met Firefly 8S. I'm really not sure if the past 2 years or 3 years, but this camera has been shooting all my outdoor videos and even some indoor videos all the time. So that is the reason I went with another Firefly 8S camera, because this one is getting old and I want to use it on long range micro FPV racing quadcopters. Look at that. I mean, it will fit right, but looks a little heavy on that, but I can always open it up and turn it into a lightweight naked camera. But my main reason is I was looking for another camera that is going to stay with me for many more years to shoot videos, because I do solo recording all the time. So in this video I have got another Firefly 8S, and this is one of the best and one of the most and highly recommended camera for you to record videos if you do solo recording, and if you do not want to invest in expensive GoPro cameras. Trust me, GoPro 4, GoPro 5, it gives you same and even better video than GoPro 4. I have compared it with GoPro 4. It gives better video compared to GoPro 4, and even as good as GoPro 5 cameras. 6 and 7 I haven't used it, so I cannot say. So this is the Firefly, all new Firefly 8S camera. You can see it's the same thing. So I got myself another one, and I'm super duper happy that if I lose my beloved camera someday, I have a backup. So once again, people, really, this is one of the best budget 4K action cameras. The stabilization system in this one is pretty good. Not as good as flow state stabilization, but pretty good. And here, look at that user manual, and look how many goodies it actually comes with for you to use with in your daily life. So I don't want to show you how it records. I can give you a very simple video shot with this here in my room and see how things look. It's very low light in my room. There aren't much big lights. Outside is very darky day, but you can see the result from this camera. And if you really want to see how it shoots outdoors, go watch previous 2 years of my videos that are shot with Firefly 8S camera, mostly using my head strap. So thank you very much for watching this little quick heads up, one of the best budget action camera video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon, ding ding ding, so that you can stay updated for all the upcoming uploads.